Welcome to my video. My name is Ronny Alfonso and the product owner and mentor of BreazeHome 4.0 is Dr. Masoud Sadjadi. In this video I'm going to cover the shortcomings and the wishlist for BreazeHome 4.0 project. The most important thing I need to add to the shortcoming is that my mobile implementation needs to be merged with the production version. The mobile version includes all the reset password features implemented and some other useful additions. The reason that this version was not included is that these additions were made in the last sprint of the 9th release, and the server was running an old version that could not be possible to change in the last weeks for reasons beyond my control. So it is very important to merge this code with the master. The first thing needed to implement in the recovery account section is to update the mobile version to work with the new sequence of steps for resetting the password. The very last sprint, the sequence was modified to add a menu to allow the user to select from multiple options to reset the password. This advance was done in the desktop version and breaks the mobile version after the second step. In my wish list, I have a couple of things. One of them was to include the profile tab to manage the security section. Having this section enabled, we hope to maintain the web application well organized and grouping the related features in one site. In this tab, the user will be able to update the security question and the future features related with the account security. Another feature that I couldn't implement was the use of security image to reset the passwords. The image will be used in the same way that the security question was used. The system will have a feature that will allow the user to pick an image from our database, and this could be perfectly included in the security section on the profile. The first task would be to include the bank of images into the system. This must be a decent amount of pictures. Also, the image must be uniform in size and their name must not be changed. And last but not least, they have to be classified in categories to make it easy to the user to pick one of them. Once the user selects the image, the name of the image have to be hashed and sought with the username. This is to avoid that two users that selected the same images have the same hash value stored in the database. To accomplish this, we also need to add a chart field to the profile model. Well, that's all that I wanted to include in my feature. I hope it will be useful for the next releases.